One of my favourite things that we put into the house, and I didn't expect to love it so much, is our ceiling fan. I mean, it costs nothing to run. And the best thing about it is that when you turn it on, you can't hear a thing. We'd actually started the process years ago. We changed our halogen lights to LED, and we did some draft proofing around the windows and the doors. We did that stuff, and then that was good 2-3 years passed, and then we went, I think we can do more now. Things like a ceiling fan that's not super expensive.